Ito, mami. Hindi ba ikaw?
Okay, so we're here looking at the old pictures of Mommy Miles, like this picture.
Mommy Miles, my mother.
Oh, okay. Okay, we have a photo here. It's a black and white photo, and this is from the year 1938. Wow.
From Mommy Miles' mother.
From Mommy Miles' mother's mommy, whatever. Okay. 1938. Wow. And then here's another picture of Mommy Miles and her brothers and sisters and parents in Luneta. This is the year what? 19 what? I don't know. 19 forgotten.
So 1967.
Oh, this one is year 1967. Can you please point out where Mommy Miles is? There she is, and now this is her.
Before and after.
Again. Okay, where's Mommy Miles? Can you point it? There she is. That's the before. 19 what?
1969.
1969. 1967. And 2008, it's?
After.
Well, Mommy Miles.
With choreography.
If ever given a chance to go back to the past and look like this, you know, as it were before, would you want to?
Of course.
You want to? Okay.
Only I could return back.
Okay.
Kasi ito yung mirror falls na ganyan. Yeah.
So this is Mommy Miles photo collection. This is actually, we're inside the museum. This is the
Pre-entrance.
pre-war.
Medieval
Pre-Hispanic. Okay, and the painting on the wall, that was painted by Mommy Miles' father, late father. Okay. Then this is Mommy Miles' house, her mansion. This was built when? 1898? 1969. Okay. 68 or 69. So it's a very old house. Let's take a picture of the and that's the dining room.
Saan na to siya ngayon, mami?
Good evening. Why not take a video of them?
I thought you wanted yourself to be taking a video. You want to say something to Mommy Miles' mansion?
Mommy Miles, I have a message for you, Mommy Miles.
He has a speech.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mommy Miles.